Hello everybody, this is Erick Salgado and this is
Alvaro Salgado, and welcome to another video. Today we are in Dubai, and as you saw from the title of this video, we're going to talk about how my dad, the CEO and founder of Builderall, went from being broke to owning a multi-million-dollar company.
So stay with us on this video to the end because you're going to learn one thing that took me from broke to a millionaire.
So I wanted to ask him this question because I remember being a kid, my dad was always working. He was always on the computer, working all the time. And I remember him being broke, not having a lot of money. And all of a sudden, fast forward 5-10 years maybe, he owns a multi-million-dollar company. And I wanted to know one thing that you could tell people, entrepreneurs, that will help them become successful.
If you are an entrepreneur, you have to be ready to face this roller coaster. It's always up and downs, up and downs, up and downs. And you have to feel like when you are going up, hold tight and work even more and more and more. You never rest. Try your best to keep always going up, up, up. Because the up and downs are going to come. When you start, you're going to go down and then you're going to go up. And then you're going to go down, but you're never going to go down as much as you were before. And then you're going to go up a little bit more. In a few years, your down will be here, right? And your up will be there. So you have to know how to work with the up and downs because there is no business that's going to be always like this. For example, right now we are living a pandemic. A lot of businesses are going down. So you have to see what's going on, how you can change, how to be fast and change and adapt really, really fast so you can take the control of your business and bring it up again. More than 20 years ago, when I started working online, it was really hard because 20 years ago back in Brazil, it was really crazy to convince someone to advertise online or to do a website or something like that. People didn't believe in the internet back there.
Uma proposta onde nós colocamos as pessoas para trabalhar e ganhar dinheiro com a internet.
So I was starting as an entrepreneur.
Wait, let me ask you, what made you believe on the internet, working online?
When I was 20 something, I came to the United States. I was a fighter. I used to do like vale tudo, jiu-jitsu, kickboxing, karate, all those things. And then I came to the United States. I was living with a friend, Mario Yamazaki. You guys know this guy. He's a referee from Ultimate Fight, right? So the internet here 20 years ago, it was like starting to grow and to explode, and all those big companies were building websites and all those things. So the internet back there, it was just about the websites. First time I saw the internet, I fell in love and said, oh, this is amazing. This is something that I want to do. And I had no idea what to do on the internet. So I created a website for fitness and training, and it was really, really cool. And then it was my first website. When I came back to Brazil, I sold this website for 20,000 reais. I never saw that much money in my hands. Like by the time I saw, oh my God, I'm rich. The internet for me was kind of a big deal. And I decided, okay, I'm going to work with internet. I'm going to work with this thing. And then I started building websites and services and creating businesses online. It was really, really hard. I would tell you that was like about 10 years trying, and I created more than 80 different websites.
Hey, let me just tell people here, he doesn't know how to program. How were you doing? You were getting somebody to help you?
Yes, I was always hiring someone to program, to do the design and all those things. So I was finding the need, creating the solution. I was putting everything together, the whole mindset, the whole structure behind the business and how the website should think, let's say, right? Mm-hmm. And how the website should work and the service and everything. And I hired programmers, and then the programmers was working with me and designers and everything, and then boom, the website was there.
Yeah, that's all being like an entrepreneur. You don't know how to do something, you figure it out, and you just do it.
And the thing is, you just need one to work, but you can never stop trying to make it better and better and better because you're gonna fail. You have to learn why did not work it, and then you have to do better. When your business fail, you don't think like, okay, I need a job. You will think like, okay, I need to fix this problem. Once you got it, man, you got it. It's done. You're going to become an entrepreneur. So if you are an entrepreneur, you have to be creating your business. You have to be working on your business. Never stop trying. One day you're going to figure it out. And then when you figure it out, that's it. It's one business that you're going to have to keep going and making better and better and better. And boom, you have there. Ideas doesn't make you money. Ideas doesn't mean anything. Right? And I know a lot of people with a lot of ideas, a lot of things on their heads, and they never take action. Start your business first and learn how to do it later. That's the rule. That's how it works. That was the story behind Microsoft. Like Bill Gates, he got the deal first, and then he created the software actually.
And the same story for Apple, Amazon. They all started the same way. They didn't wait for anything to be perfect. They just did, and they were adjusting along the way. They were taking action and making it better along the way.
You never know if it's gonna work. I started Builderall was one thing, and I believe that one thing that would be amazing, right? And then I put on the marketplace, and then it started selling. And then I saw, whoa, that's not enough. That's not even close. So I need to make it better and better and better and better and better. When we launched Builderall, it was more than $2 million in investment already, but it wasn't there. It was another $2 or $3 million again in investment to make what it is today. You have to put your business online. You have to learn as you go. You have to hear your clients, your customers. You have to be there doing business to feel what you need. I see a lot of people learning and learning and learning in courses and courses and courses and trainings and workshops and trainings. But if you want to learn, build your business, this is not the way.
The best way to do it is taking action and learning along the way.
Take action and keep going, keep going. So for example, I said that I did more than 80 websites, but it was always trying to find a solution for the right business, for the right customer, but it was always digital marketing solutions for business. And then I was fixing and making better and changing the niche and changing the angle and changing the solution itself. But it was always on that.
Yeah, it wasn't completely different businesses.
Yeah. It was not like a bakery and then internet marketing or a gas station. It was always internet marketing. It was always online softwares and solutions. Now, Builderall is going very, very well. We have like more than 350,000 users on Builderall. A lot of paid users. The company is growing. We are doing business in more than 150 countries. Actually, we are here in Dubai spending time like on vacation, right? And oh my God, how can we find a place to spend the New Year's Eve in Dubai? Then we have Builderall customers here in Dubai. So Jalal, thank you, my friend. You have customers all over the world. You have friends all over the world. And then I called Jalal. Jalal, man, I am here in Dubai. I need to go in a place for New Year's Eve. Can you help me? And he helped, and we're gonna spend our night in a very, very nice place. So we are doing very well with Builderall.
No, last time I checked, we had customers in over 150 different countries.
Yeah, 170 different countries actually.
No.
Yeah, we have. When you get to this point, you are still creating softwares, solutions, or digital solutions for small business. And now you have a different view, you have different angles, you can see something else, you can see more stuff. And then I'm creating new softwares, always on the same thing, solutions for small business online. But we are creating different softwares, and probably in 2021, we're gonna launch another 3 softwares.
I'm excited.
To work online and to create new businesses, new companies, and all those things. But again, guys, start one business, you're gonna reach a point that business will be great, and then that business are going to show you different opportunities on the same niche or on the same industry. For example, Amazon, they were selling books, now they are selling everything. The next step for Amazon, in my opinion, what I think, Amazon is going to sell healthcare or medicine or something like that, right? Because Amazon knows everything about you. When you are in the certain point of your business, you will see other opportunities, other things for your customers, right? And then you're gonna create different softwares, different solutions, different services, and things like that. And then you're gonna start to grow. You're gonna become a real entrepreneur. Start small, start with everything that you have, start with 100% focus, like laser focus on your business, and then you're gonna hire your first employee, you're gonna hire the second one, and then you're gonna figure out stuff that you need to do better. When you see you have a company with 200 employees, a lot of customers, a lot of opportunities, and boom, you are there. So the one thing to take you from broke or whatever is the place that you are now, but to take you from point A to point B is taking action. So I would say take action first, and then you're gonna learn what you actually need to know to be successful on that business. Never quit. You can change the angle, you can change the niche, you can adjust, you can adapt, you can do better, but never quit. Keep going, keep going.
I remember you telling me a story. I was actually reading a script for a video that you were doing. It's about, breathing air. The guy, he was holding his breath, something like that. You remember the story that I'm talking about?
Yeah, I remember that.
It's gonna make sense what I'm gonna say. Just go over a little bit.
Now that's a true story. When I was surfing in Brazil, I was on your age, and then huge waves, and I went down the ocean. and then it was like 1 minute down, and then I come back to the surface, came another wave, and boom, again to the down of the ocean. The only thing that I was thinking about that time was I don't even care about my surfboard, I don't even care about anything, I just want to breathe.
I started a business with my mom, you know this. Yeah. She's in Brazil, she lost all her clients when the pandemic started. We had 1 month to start the business, and I think that getting air for your business, right? The only thing that you want to do is make money, break even. I think that's also very important. You want to focus, maybe not having a plan B, making your plan A work is also something very important for your business, because then you won't have time to think and learn and learn. You will have to just take action and learn along the way. We started with a like $2,000 investment in the business, and today after like 4 months, we're learning new things every day, new equipment that we have to buy, new employees that we have to hire. If we were to make everything perfect, we would have taken 6 months to launch the business. Knowing what I know today, it's super hard to do this business, but at least this month we stopped running ads because ads are very expensive at the end of the year, but we still made 25,000 reais this month. Just taking action, try to do everything in that 1 month and learn along the way.
When you start your business, you will figure out that you know anything about it. Like for example, I know how to bake pizza, so I'm gonna start a pizzeria. You don't know anything about running a pizzeria. You know how to do pizza. You're gonna have to learn that as you go, and you're gonna figure out that's way harder than you thought. There is no other way. You will have to do it, you will have to learn it and go for it, right? Same thing that happened to you. You started your business, you thought that was a little bit more simpler. When you saw it was a little bit hard, but keep going. Yeah. Right? And then you are still making money. You are actually making a lot of money. This is a perfect example of entrepreneur. He is 21, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm 20.
He works on Build It All. He has his job on Build It All. It's a job, but he is creating a software with me. So one of those softwares that I told you guys that I'm gonna launch in 2021 is in partnership with Alvaro. So we are creating together the software. Actually, he is the one who draw all the screens and put together the whole what's gonna be the software, what is the problem it's going to solve, and all those things. I was just helping. It's almost 100% your idea.
We are always talking about business. We're always having new ideas, always talking about how we can get solutions online. And we were in the car going from one place to another, I don't remember where, and we just came up with the idea. We said, let's do it. It's awesome. Again, taking action, right? We've been developing for 6 months now,
6 months already.
And we're gonna launch next month. But again, take action, have ideas and take action.
Go for it. You're gonna learn later.
That's it. Can we wrap up the video?
I think so. All right. Okay. Keep in touch or keep connected.
Let me finish the video. I have experience finishing videos. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Hey, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. We're going to be posting awesome weekly content for you guys. Always talking about mindset, lifestyle. We're gonna have podcasts, just anything related to making money online in business, entrepreneurship, we're gonna have in this channel. So make sure to subscribe. If you like this video, like this video. If you have any questions, leave them on the comments below, because we're gonna be answering your questions very soon in the next couple of videos. That's it, right?
That's it. Stop dreaming, start working, take action first, and then you're gonna learn later, and never quit. You're gonna be successful.